Hallo maats, vandag het ek 'n spesiale gas hierso by my. Sy kom al die pad van Engeland af en sy is ook 'n juffrou daar. Haar naam is Miss Annie en sy gaan vandag vir julle 'n Engelse les aanbied. Hello class, I am Miss Annie and I'm all the way from London, England. Mrs. Anneke asked me to come and teach you an English lesson. So I'm very excited to meet all of you and I hope you are ready to learn. I'm here dressed to impress, ready for learning. And I'm going to teach you a new sound. This sound is the sh sound. Say with me, shh. You get the sh sound in the beginning of a word and you can also get it at the end of a word. So let's learn and together. So I've brought some things from home. Are you ready to see what I have inside of my bag? Let's see the first thing. This is a shoe. Say with me, shoe. I wear shoes. Can you hear the sh sound at the beginning? This is a shoe. Let's see what else I have inside of my bag. Oh, when I bath, I play with a ship. This is a ship. Can you see? Let's see what else do I have. I brought you a shell. Say with me, this is a shell. And you must also try and write the sentence. This is a shell. And remember the full stop at the end of your sentence. Let's see. Oh. Please don't shoot me. Shoot. So you can write the sentence, please don't shoot me, with an exclamation mark at the end. Let's see what else do I have. Ooh, I were outside and I were shoveling in the ground. I used a shovel. This is a shovel. Let's see what else do I have. Ooh, the boys will like this one. This is a fish. The boys like to go fishing with their dads. This is a fish. Let's see what else do I have. This is a brush. I brush my blue hair and I brush my teeth. Or I brush the dog's hair. Let's see what else do I have. This is a dish. Can you hear? This is a dish. So I serve some food on the dish. And then what else do I have here? Ooh, this is a shirt. I also wear a shirt. Let's see what else do I have here. Ooh, da-dum, 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 da-dum. This is a shark. Say with me, shark. So many of you know the song, Baby Shark. I hope you are going to sing it now at home. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, this is shampoo. I wash my hair with shampoo. Next, I have inside of my shark purse, I have some South African cash. This is cash. And then I have an animal here that's from the farm. Meh, meh. What is this? This is a sheep. A sheep. So you can write a sentence. The sheep makes a sound that sounds like meh. A sheep. And then I have a dog and he hides in the sheds. Or our gardener puts the tools in the sheds. A shed. And then lastly, oh, it's not lastly, I see I have something else here. This or these are some shapes. Shapes. And then lastly, my mother asked me to go put out the trash. The trash. Can you see there's many words that starts with a sh sound and also ends with a sh sound? I want to challenge you to go and look around the house for some more items that starts with a sh or ends with a sh sound. And then you write down the words, ask your parents to correct the words if you got the spelling wrong, and try and write at least 3 sentences with 3 of these words. Well, I hope to be teaching you some other English lessons very, very soon. Bye bye, kids. Bye.